Welcome to Cooking in the Chem Lab. Today we are making pasta, garlic bread, and pasta sauce. Right now I just added water and we're waiting for it to boil. And I added salt, which would speed up the boiling process. Go.
Okay. We're going to take a few minutes to talk about the noodles and what kind of makes up. We're going to talk about some proteins, some carbohydrates, and fats. Proteins and carbohydrates and fats are both organic molecules because they contain carbon. Although the elements that make up each of these types of molecules are the same, the structures of the proteins and carbohydrates are very different. Proteins do most of the work in the cell and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and to create a protein, it repeats itself, and their attracting bonds create a protein. Yeah. Carbohydrates give energy to all the cells in our body, and they play a role in the immune system, and a little more. They're made up of glucose and fructose. That is a monosaccharide. And they, again, attract to one another to make a long chain, creating a polysaccharide. Now, fats, they help absorb some vitamins. And fats are made of fatty acids, and also they go off in chains.
I'm adding the pasta. The pasta is cooked by the heat transfer of the stove to the water, which causes it to boil, and this is explained using the concept of convection. Convection is the transfer of heat between gases and liquids. Okay, so I'm going to put the bread into the oven, and the bread is cooked by the radiation waves that come out from the oven, go into the bread, and cause it to rise and bake from the inside out.
Okay, so the pot that we are making the sauce in is a enamel-coated cast iron pot. Its specific heat is 0.11 joules per grams degrees Celsius. It's good for making sauce because it has a low specific heat, and that means it can warm up very quickly, and it doesn't take too much energy to do this. It has an enamel coat around it, which gives it the white color, and it makes it dishwasher safe and non-sticky. It's also heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and provides heat retention and retains heat for a very long time.
Just put it in until it's not. You can't put it in anymore.
Yeah.
Go.
The pasta sauce is heated by conduction, which is the transfer of heat energy between substances that are direct contact with each other. So it goes from the hot plate to the pan to the sauce.
Sauce.
So the pasta sauce is finally warmed up and is bubbling. That's how you can tell.
Yeah. Yum.
Just spread it all over the pasta. It's delicious. It's gonna be delicious.
And sadly, I'm the food taster, It is not that bad. You guys need a bite. Seriously. It is not that bad.
I'm gonna pass.
So am I. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys. Okay.